Hello and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to build a keyword list. So you've already installed this Chrome extension, so let's get straight into it. First thing, you just want to search the basic keyword search that you're going to do for the keyword list that you want to create. For example, if I want to create a list of keywords based around online courses, or let's say SEO online courses, just type that. And then as you can see, there's a volume of 720 searches a month and the cost per click is $4.93. So all we want to do is click add all keywords at the bottom right, and then keep doing this with the same sorts of keywords. For example, I'm just going to then get rid of SEO and just do online courses, and then click again, add all keywords, and then online courses for SEO. This is such a quick thing and easy thing to do, which is why it's so great. And as you can see, the ones down here, add all keywords, they will all also be added. Fantastic. And yeah, so what I'm going to do now is click this and go to my favorite keywords. It will open it in a new tab and you can see them all. So as you can see, this is all we've got so far. So I'm just going to move this to the side and I'm just going to keep looking and adding more keywords. So let's do that. So we're going to then do just SEO like this and enter. And then we're going to do again, add all keywords. And SEO courses, perfect, add all keywords, and SEO 2017 courses, fantastic, add all keywords. This is absolutely perfect, and this is we're just going to build a giant keyword list. And then after we've done that, we're going to look into it a bit more in the next video. Perfect. So SEO Udemy SEO course free, and we can do that one. And then we're going to click add all keywords, and Udemy SEO I think we can put on its own as well, so let's put that, and that has 320 searches a month, add all keywords, perfect. So now we're just going to bring this back, refresh the page and see how many keywords we have. So we have 36 different keywords. Okay, so that's definitely enough. The first thing we're going to do is organize it by worldwide volume, so just click this here and just make it so the highest one is at the top. So there we go, we have the highest number at the top now. And then we also probably have the largest cost per click, but it depends for a few. As you can see here, this one is $8.62, SEO training London. So yeah, that's quite an expensive one, so we're probably going to leave that one out. But yeah, this is absolutely great. Now we've got this huge list of SEO keywords. Now this one is 36 different entries. And I also forgot to mention that this doesn't have to be based on SEO. You can type whatever you want. So say you sell wallets. All you want to do is type wallets. And as you can see, that has 673,000 searches a month. And then you just want to click add all keywords at the bottom right here. And then you'll get all of these added to your list of keywords. That's absolutely perfect. So once we've done that, all we want to do is click PDF. And it will then download them as a PDF file for you. And here you go. So this is all of our keywords that we have just added to a list. We've got them all right here in order of volume. So we can do the same thing and then order them by cost per click. And there we go, highest to lowest. And then once again, PDF. Click on that. And as you can see, now we've got that saved with the highest cost per click all the way down to the lowest cost per click. So that's absolutely fantastic. So I'll see you in the next video, and then I'll show you what we're going to do with all of this information. So I'll see you then. Thanks for watching and goodbye.